In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete posts on Facebook Marketplace. If you've sold an item or simply want to remove a listing, this quick walkthrough will show you exactly how to do it cleanly and confidently. We'll move through the process step by step so you know what to expect and where to click. And I'll share a few helpful tips along the way to keep things clear. First, open Facebook and head directly to facebook.com/marketplace. This takes you straight to the marketplace home without extra clicks. Make sure you're signed into the account that originally created the listing, because only the owner of a listing can remove it. Once the marketplace page loads, click Marketplace. If you're not already on that section, you'll see the familiar marketplace layout with categories, filters, and your selling tools. From here, look for your profile icon. It's usually your small profile picture in the top corner of the marketplace page. Clicking that opens your personal marketplace dashboard where you manage what you're selling. Next, click your listings. This area collects every item you've posted to Marketplace, whether it's active or previously managed. It's a good idea to skim the titles and thumbnails to make sure you're selecting the exact item you want to remove. Now, select your listing. Opening the listing lets you double-check the photos, price, and description to ensure you're about to delete the correct post. Deleting a listing is permanent, so take a moment here to confirm it's the right one. Look for the three dots, sometimes shown as a vertical or horizontal More menu. Click those three dots to reveal additional actions for your listing. This menu is where Facebook keeps options that aren't shown front and center. Choose Delete Listing. Facebook will display a confirmation prompt to make sure you really want to remove it. Read that prompt carefully. When you confirm, the listing will be taken down from Marketplace and will no longer appear in search results or on your seller profile. After confirming, your listing is deleted. If someone had messaged you about the item, those conversation threads typically remain in your inbox, but the listing itself won't be visible. If you don't see the delete option, double check that you're viewing your own listing and that you're signed into the right account. That's it. You've successfully deleted a Facebook Marketplace post. If this was helpful, keep these steps in mind anytime you need to clean up your active items and keep your seller dashboard organized.